Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Tools games not showing in library after a restart. This will be a step-by-step guide on how to fix them, so follow along on how to fix them. Just before we begin, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below if you do have any questions during the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and like the video if it helped you. Now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that I'd recommend is basically going in your library right over here in your tools area, click the drop down games and software and make sure tools is checked. That is one of the mistakes that I did, so I made here a demographic of image to follow along while I narrate everything. So the second one is resetting the library filters. Click the filter icon next to the drop down and select clear all filters. Next is restart Steam properly. Click Steam, exit, wait for a few seconds, and open up Steam. So basically how to do that is click on the arrow right over here, right click on Steam, and exit Steam. So the next step is step 4 right over here, verify integrity of game files, or Steam files, sorry. So Steam, settings, storage, Steam library, repair folder. To do that, go ahead and go to your Steam right over here, Steam right over here, settings, go to storage, and right over here just go ahead and click on the 3 dots right over here and repair library. Basically as that. Once done, go ahead and see if the problem still persists. If the problem still persists, let's move ahead to the step 5. Check the content library folder, make sure the folder exists, Steam apps content, app 211. If missing, go to Steam sex. Now reinstall Steam client entirely. Basically just go ahead and uninstall and install Steam. Go ahead and click on your start menu right over here, type in add or remove, Steam right over here, uninstall right over here, but keep the Steam tools though. Once done, everything should be simple as this. Run Steam as administrator, right click and run as administrator, and check for any Steam client updates, clear cache, and so on. So basically that is all for this video, guys. Go ahead and follow any of this extra tips on below if you guys want to go ahead and see if it still now doesn't work. But if it did, please leave a like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.